In today's video, we are going to register the Tinder application. Let's see whether this application gets registered successfully or not. First of all, you can select any country you want from the list. After that, type the application name in the search bar. As you can see, Tinder is already showing here. There is also another method. If you click on the dating category, many dating applications will appear on your screen. From here, select the application you want to register and click on Get Now/Get Code. As soon as you click on Get Code, you will instantly receive a phone number. Now simply copy this number. Next, go to the official Tinder website and click on Register Now. After that, click on Login with phone number. Here, change the country according to the number you copied from the website. Paste the number and click on Send. Now wait for a few seconds. You will be asked to complete the reCAPTCHA for verification. Once the reCAPTCHA is completed, Tinder will ask for a verification code. Now go back to the website where you received the number. You don't need to do anything. Within a few seconds, you will automatically receive the verification code. Copy the code and paste it into Tinder. That's it. Your Tinder account has been successfully created. Now you can add any email address, username, date of birth, gender, and complete all required details. After filling everything, click on Continue. As you can see, the Tinder account is ready without any error or issue. If you face any error while registering any application, let me know in the comment section. I will make the next video on that topic. I hope you liked this video. The website link and Telegram community link are available in the first pinned comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.